Hey Pelicans fans, Scott Kornberg here. Can you believe we're just about a week from opening day? And with that said, maybe time to take a look at some potential Pelicans in the 2017 roster. Perhaps there's no better place to start than the backstop position because the Pelicans could have a really special one in Higgins in 2017. A 12th round pick out of Old Dominion a couple years ago, Higgins has rapidly rose throughout the Cubs prospect rankings. He's top 30 by both MLB.com and Baseball America. Remember Moneyball? If you ever read the book or saw the movie, how they emphasized walks and on-base percentage? Well, Higgins is that guy. Last year with Low A South Bend, he walked 72 times compared to just 75 strikeouts, and he earned an on-base percentage of .389. So he's got a really great eye at the plate, and even when he's slumping, he brings something that very few can bring behind the plate. Baseball America rates him as the very best defensive catcher in the Chicago Cubs farm system, so the Cubs pitching staff and the Pelicans pitching staff is really going to like throwing to him in 2017 if he's in Myrtle Beach. Speaking of that pitching staff, check in a couple days. We'll have someone to talk about then. Pelicans fans, we have just 1 week until the Birds host the Charleston River Dogs in the Battle of the Beaches exhibition game here in Myrtle Beach. Check back Friday. We'll have our next player feature for you then.